Okay, children, we'll discuss redox reaction now. Okay, what is redox reaction? Okay, and we'll discuss reducing agent and oxidizing agent also in this video. First of all, redox reaction, from this term it's clear, redox, dox, this is x. Okay, redox, re is from reduction, red is from reduction, o and ox is from oxidation. Okay, so redox reaction is reaction in which reduction, okay, reduction and oxidation takes place simultaneously. Redox reaction is reaction in which reduction and oxidation takes place simultaneously, together, साथ में. Okay, now for understanding redox reaction, you should be clear with reduction and oxidation separately. What is reduction and what is oxidation? Okay, so there are three criterias on basis of which you can decide whether it is reduction or it is oxidation. Okay, so first thing, reduction. First thing about reduction is gain of hydrogen. Okay, reduction is gain of hydrogen. Okay, what is oxidation in terms of hydrogen? Oxidation is loss of hydrogen. Oxidation is loss of hydrogen. This you have to memorize. This you should know. What is reduction? Gain of hydrogen. What is oxidation? Loss of hydrogen. Another criteria on basis of which you can decide reduction and oxidation, that is oxygen. Okay, reduction is loss of oxygen. Reduction is loss of oxygen. Okay, what is oxidation, beta? Oxidation is gain of oxygen. Okay, oxidation is gain of oxygen. Oxidation is gain of oxygen. Is this clear to you? Now the third criteria is on basis of electrons. Okay, reduction is gain of electrons. Reduction is gain of electrons. Okay, and what is oxidation, children? Oxidation is loss of electrons. Oxidation is loss of electrons. So we'll repeat. Okay, we'll discuss again. Okay, first of all, you should be clear with term redox. You can divide this redox into red and ox. It means reduction and oxidation, reactions in which reduction and oxidation takes place together. Okay, now what is oxidation and what is reduction? Reduction is loss of hydrogen. Oxidation is loss of hydrogen. Reduction is gain of hydrogen. Oxidation is gain of oxygen. Reduction is loss of oxygen. Oxidation is loss of electrons. Reduction is gain of electrons. Okay, so this you have to learn. Okay, what is oxidation and what is reduction? Okay, remember this: loss of hydrogen, loss of electron, oxidation; gain of oxygen, oxidation. Okay, in case of reduction, gain of hydrogen, gain of electrons, reduction; loss of oxygen, reduction. Okay, so we'll move to reaction and we'll discuss two more terms. Okay, that is oxidizing agent and reducing agent. Okay, these two are very important terms. You should not get confused, so please focus. Okay, your reaction is copper oxide CuO plus hydrogen H2 gives copper Cu plus H2O. Okay, that is water. Okay, children, now if you'll discuss oxidation and reduction. Okay, now listen carefully. Here copper oxide CuO is losing oxygen. Copper oxide is losing oxygen. As copper oxide is losing oxygen, so copper oxide is getting reduced. Copper oxide is getting reduced. I hope I'm clear. Okay, CuO, copper oxide is losing oxygen, loss of oxygen is reduction, so copper oxide is getting reduced. Okay, क्या हो रहा है बेटा ये? Reduce. Now hydrogen, it is gaining oxygen to form water. Okay, hydrogen is gaining oxygen, so as hydrogen is gaining oxygen, so hydrogen is getting oxidized. Hydrogen is getting oxidized. Okay, now we'll discuss two more terms. We'll discuss two more terms. Copper oxide, as it is getting reduced, as it is losing oxygen, as it is getting reduced, खुद क्या हो रहा है बेटा? Reduce हो रहा है. So as it is getting reduced, it will oxidize hydrogen. Okay, so as copper oxide itself is getting reduced and oxidizing hydrogen को क्या कर रहा है? Oxidize हो रहा है. खुद क्या हो रहा है? Reduce हो रहा है. खुद reduce हो रहा है तो दूसरे को oxidize करेगा. So here copper oxide CuO is oxidizing hydrogen, so copper oxide is oxidizing agent. Copper oxide is oxidizing agent. Okay, hydrogen, as it is gaining oxygen, so it is getting oxidized. As it is getting oxidized, it should reduce copper oxide, so hydrogen itself is getting oxidized, so it is reducing agent. Okay, remember this, the substance which is getting reduced in reaction will oxidize another substance, so that is oxidizing agent. Hydrogen, it's itself gaining oxygen, so getting oxidized, as is itself getting oxidized, it will reduce another substance, so this is reducing agent. This you have to remember. Okay, I'll give you another example also. Okay, another example for making this both the terms oxidizing agent and reducing agent clear. Okay, another example, children. Fe2O3, okay, plus Al gives Al2O3, okay, plus Fe. Now before discussing anything, first you tell me which type of reaction is this. Okay, as aluminium is more reactive and aluminium is displacing iron, aluminium is more reactive than iron and it is displacing iron from ferric oxide. Fe2O3 is ferric oxide, so it is displacing iron from ferric oxide, so this is displacement reaction, single displacement reaction. Children, this is very important reaction. This reaction is also called aluminothermite reaction. Okay, what is this called? This is called aluminothermite reaction. Now why this reaction is important? Because this reaction is used for joining railway tracks. Okay, broken or if there is any gap in between tracks, okay, due to change in temperature, so this reaction is used to join railway tracks. Again I'm repeating, this is single displacement reaction, as aluminium is more reactive than iron, so aluminium displaces iron. Okay, this is single displacement reaction. This reaction is named as aluminothermite reaction. Where it is used for joining, it is used for joining railway, okay, railway tracks. It is used for joining railway tracks. Okay, now you have to identify which one is oxidizing agent and which one is reducing agent. First of all, when you have to identify, please focus on reactant side. You are not supposed to focus on product side. Your oxidizing agent and reducing agent both are present on reactant side. Okay, now Fe2O3, ferric oxide, it is losing oxygen, so it's losing oxygen means it is getting reduced. Ferric oxide Fe2O3 is losing oxygen. As it is losing oxygen, it itself is getting reduced. If it itself is getting reduced, it is oxidizing agent. O is for oxidizing, A is for agent, oxidizing agent. Okay, Aluminium, it is gaining oxygen. As aluminium is gaining oxygen, so it is itself getting oxidized. As it is itself getting oxidized, it will reduce another substance. Okay, as it will reduce another substance, it is reducing agent. Okay, it is reducing agent. R is for reducing, A is for agent. Is this clear to you? Okay.